In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Salesforce certification expiration date 5 minutes. If you hold Salesforce credentials, staying ahead of maintenance deadlines is essential to keep your certifications active. Today, we'll walk through the fastest, most reliable way to verify your expiration dates directly from your Trailblazer profile using the same email that's linked to your Web Assessor account. Start by signing in to Trailhead at trailhead.salesforce.com. Use your regular Trailblazer credentials, or choose your company's single sign-on if that's how you normally access Salesforce Learning. If you have more than one Trailhead login, pick the account that's connected to your certifications and to Web Assessor, the exam platform. Using the correct account ensures your certifications and statuses appear correctly. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon or avatar. That opens a small menu where you can select Profile. Choosing Profile takes you to your Trailblazer profile page, which consolidates your badges, super badges, and most importantly, your certifications. On the Profile page, scroll down until you reach the Certifications section. Here you'll find cards for each certification you hold. You may see labels like Active, Maintenance Due, or Expired, as well as renewal cycles tied to Salesforce's seasonal releases. This section is your home base for understanding what's current and what needs attention. To confirm the official expiration details, use the Check Your Status box right in the Certifications area. Enter the email address associated with your Web Assessor account and submit. This runs a real-time check against Salesforce's certification records and updates the information you see on your profile. If your results don't look right, it usually means a different email was used when you registered for exams, so verify which address Web Assessor has on file. If you recently earned a certification, allow a short processing time before it appears. A few helpful tips as you review. Each certification follows its own maintenance schedule. The date you're watching is the maintenance deadline. Completing the required Trailhead maintenance module before that date keeps your credential active. If a certification is missing, it may live under another Trailhead or Web Assessor email. Align those accounts to see everything in one place. And if you've changed companies or emails, updating Web Assessor and your Trailblazer profile will help prevent gaps. That's the process. Log into Trailhead, open your profile, scroll to certifications, and use Check Your Status with your Web Assessor email to view accurate expiration dates. Keep this page bookmarked so you can quickly confirm your status anytime.